Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the Keynote application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as having access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad and now search for the Keynote application. There we go. Click on Enter to open up the application. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you will see on screen. So welcome to Keynote, the most beautiful presentation app ever designed by Apple. We can now click on continue. We can view presentations or create a presentation. Let's get started to collaborate, Keynote Live, use gorgeous themes, stunning animations, have everything synced into your iCloud Drive. If I were to, let's just say, click on create a presentation, this is something we will then do in the near future as part of the playlist and tutorials. So let's create a presentation. And then you will be required to choose a theme. That's something we will do in the next tutorial. So let's now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.